Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an image to your document on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a document and tap to the gallery option under the elements button on the left side of the screen, and here you can find pictures from your device, and just select one and you can add to your document. Click to the add to page button and you can edit the size of the picture. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.